will be your spacious living and dining area. We have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. This master bedroom is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sea Bliss by Ashna Developers located in Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel, where you can see the construction is in full swing. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.25 acres that will have a standalone tower with 2 wings of ground plus 23-story, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with gym, indoor games, sit-out area, golf, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Aram Nagar Part 1, 7 Bungalows, Andheri West, from where Lokhandwala complex is only at a distance of 2.5 kilometers, Andheri railway station is at a distance of 3.5 kilometers, Western Express highway is at a distance of 4.5 kilometers, and you have Versova metro station only at a distance of 3 minutes. Also, Versova beach is at a distance of 3 minutes from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing outside the 3 BHK of the residential project Sea Bliss. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1200 square feet. As we enter, you can see this will be your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in your living. And you will be getting full French windows in your living with a very spacious balcony. And we are standing at the actual tower of the project. From where you can see the actual view of the project, you can see you have a sea view from the project. Moving forward, this over here can be your dining corner where you can easily place a 8 to 10 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. This apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. Moving forward on this side first, over here, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can see your kitchen is very spacious. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You also have space provided to place your washing machine and your refrigerator besides one of the platforms. You will also be getting full French windows in the kitchen. And moving forward, on this side, we have 2 master bedrooms. This over here is your first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king or queen size bed. You can place your side tables as well. You can see the bedroom is very spacious. You will be getting full French windows with glass facades to give you a beautiful standing balcony look, and glass facades will provide you safety. You can also see you have a walk-in wardrobe space that you can customize by yourself. And towards the left, you have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right besides this master bedroom is your second master bedroom that you can see is also very spacious to place your king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You can also customize your wardrobes, and you will be getting full French windows with glass facades. And this over here will be your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. And as we told earlier that this is a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. Before that, I would like to show you this is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right beside which is your most spacious master bedroom. You can see this master bedroom is very spacious to place your king size bed along with your side tables. You will still have plenty of walkable space after placing your furniture. Also, wardrobe space is provided, that is niche wardrobe space that will give your bedroom a bigger look. And on this side are your full French windows and glass facades for safety and a beautiful standing balcony view. In this corner, we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sea Bliss by Ashna Developers. And if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.